Hi, greetings to one and all. I'm Kishore G, EC final year B section.
Hi, I am Ketan Kumar from Final Year ECE B section. This video is all about us explaining our final year project.
Before getting into the details of our project, let me take this time to thank our guide and mentor Dr. K. Umapati sir, Associate Professor ECE, whose valuable inputs was very useful for us throughout the tenure of our project. And also I would like to thank our HOD Dr. V. Swaminathan for providing us with ample opportunities and spaces. So the name of our project is Health Monitoring using Edge and Android application. So the key idea of our project implementation is to monitor patients' body vitals such as their heart rate, their temperature and their SpO2 level remotely using internet and also an Android application. So having said that, let's move ahead and see what our project's requirements are. So now let's take a look at the requirements of our project. For hardware, we are using MCU microcontroller unit, that is ESP8266, along with Arduino Uno MCU R3, which has a built-in Wi-Fi module for us to transfer data through some other databases via internet. And primarily we are using two sensors. One sensor is DS18B20, which is to monitor temperature and sense the data and update in the server. And along with that we are using Max 3000, which is used to take the data of our oxygen levels along with the heart rate. So the IoT module is used to link the bridge between sensing the data and sending the data to the required place, for instance our edge devices. So for software requirements, moreover these things are basic. For instance, the Android Studio that is usually used to develop any Android application for across the multi-platform, and also Arduino IDE. It's basic integrated development environment code editor in order to flush any codes to the microcontroller unit. So the code which we are flushing into the microcontroller units are coded in embedded C. So having said that, let's move on and see the demonstration of our implementation. So now let's see the setup of our implementation. So this is the IoT module which is used to transfer sensor data to the app via internet, and this is the microcontroller unit Arduino Uno R3, the main MCU unit which integrates the whole project. Along with this we have two primary sensors. This is Max 3000 to get the SpO2 level and heart rate, and this is DS18B20 to sense the body temperatures. So in order to the whole setup to work, it must be turned on. So as you can see, it is turned on due to the power supply which we have kept here. And simply we just need to place our hands over this sensor to get the body vitals. So now let's keep a hand and verify. So as we have seen the whole setup earlier, now let me tell you how we are going to take the output from the earlier setup. For that, yeah, we are using Arduino as an IDE and C# for the coding. So see, let me take you through what our code quickly does. So we are having a main function and a loop function. The main function will try to call all the vital data and loop it for a specific period of time in a ms, so that we'll get the outputs as in a loop. So mainly we're taking heart rate, SpO2 level and body temperature. So for that we need to see the serial output. You need to click this button and the serial output button starts. As you can see, due to our setup which we have already shown in the earlier clip, we are able to take the output constantly. See, you can see the dump values initially. That is due to the disorientation of a finger, but over a period of time we'll be able to take the values precisely and accurately. See, we are able to take heart rate, oxygen level and the temperature. So this is how we are able to capture all the body vitals. See, you can see 100 beats per minute and 94 and the body temperature and the message success. So this is how we are able to capture patient's body vitals in real time. So the key takeaway of our project is having an Android support for people who want to monitor sick people. So let me take you through the Android app which we have developed. So this is the Android app. As you can see, it has a startup page. You need to enter user credentials to log in to see the console of our project. So I'm trying to log in. So after logging in, you're having, since it is in an initial stage, we need to develop. So let's see the first data. As you can see, you click that, you can see the logs of data. It keeps on tracking, it keeps on updating in real time. So it is showing non-symptomatic block, so that patient's real-time condition is being checked. Moreover, if you want to view the IoT data, you can see in the what sequence it is capturing the data. So hence we are able to capture and monitor the patient's body vitals in real time with the help of Android support via internet. So that's all we have for our final year project. I hope it was informative. Thank you. Have a nice day.